Hello everyone, this is gonna be a very short video on how to install Gnome Flashback. Gnome Flashback or Gnome 2 or Gnome Classic is a version of Gnome 3 that is way less resource hungry than the default Gnome 3 shell. It is pretty much the classic Gnome installation that you used to see on the old Ubuntu machines. It doesn't support 3D graphics, and that is one of the reasons why it is so light on resources. For our case, it is very useful because we have very limited hardware in our virtual machines. So I'm gonna go over how to install it in Ubuntu 18.04. So to install it in Ubuntu 18.04, all you have to do is run two commands: an update and then the installation package, which is sudo apt install gnome session flashback. So what I'm gonna do is gonna do an update, and we're gonna do an upgrade, and we will do an installation. The name of the packet is Gnome Session Flashback. Let's give it a white flag so that it doesn't ask us. Okay, now that the update, the upgrade, and the package installation has been done, I'm going to reboot my computer. And give it a minute. Now, when you're going to log in, there is an extra step that you're going to do, but you only have to do this once. Click on the on this icon over here and change from Ubuntu to Gnome Flashback Metacity. Then click sign in. And you're going to notice that you have the new environment. It is very simple and straightforward. You got your applications here in the corner, all are arranged by categories. You got places so that you can go to your home directory quicker, and you have a little show text up bottom over here. This is your workplace switcher over here. Action buttons are over here. About this computer, help, lock the session, log out, suspend, restart, and so more. And you can access the system settings real quick over here. Here you have the icons that represent volume, pretty much your notification center, internet connection, language that you're currently using, your keyboard, Bluetooth connection, messages, volume, and so. I'll see you for the next video.